everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have two little unboxings for you, and one of them is not something I've done before, but well, there's always a first time for everything. Okay, so this is from David Jones, which is a departmental store in Australia. And this particular item, I've sort of and ahed and not bought it for a long time. But then it's something that I've liked for a long time. And I happen to have a gift voucher for David Jones. So I thought I may as well, a little free gift. I may as well buy it. Use the gift voucher up, right? And it is it's a Chanel perfume, actually. It's one that it's actually my favorite Chanel perfume. And it's my first Chanel perfume that I ever bought that made me sort of start to look into Chanel's perfume. Okay, so in here I've got a Camellia Rouge Serum. For those of you who know Chanel well, so this is a free gift, which is really nice. Seeing how it's a departmental store, I'm surprised that they gave free samples. But anyway, I love unboxing. And then they have these beautiful Chanel ribbons. Do you know what perfume it is? And it is the Coco Mademoiselle Parfum in 15ml spray. Oh my gosh, yes. It was like sold out for a little while, and I'm one of the fans of Super Dated channel, and he mentioned that over where he lives, I think which is the America, which is USA, United States of America, that they tell him that the parfum versions of the Le Exclusives will be phased out soon. So then I was like, oh my god, I really need to get this parfum, because this is my most favorite Chanel perfume. Let's open the bottle. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Yes, it's no longer in the spray version, because I remember buying in Dubai, when I went to Dubai, this is going back a few years ago, and there was 30ml spray parfum version. But through decluttering, I don't know why I did it. For years, even though I finished that bottle, I kept the box and the bottle. I don't know why I threw it out. That was really very silly of me. But, my goodness. Oh, should we put some on? Oh my gosh. There's a little wax seal. I have to like break it. No. I tell you what, I actually have this gift, a tiny 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're a bit dirty. Parfum. Yeah, that was given to me by my mother-in-law, and I love them so much, this little one. And see how like they're splash bottles, and this is quite an old batch if I'm not wrong. So let's see, maybe there is a little bit of a difference between this and this, but I just love how pink it is. Oh goodness, love that pink salmon-y color. I broke it. Okay, all right, I'm cutting it. Trying not to cut myself. Right, done. So like there's that plastic seal. Oh dear, no, I need to put it back on so that when I undo it. All right, someone should tell me how to open these things. I think. Okay, be right back while I figure this out. Finally got that paper seal out. Okay, so according to Super Jacob, Chanel still very much retains control of manufacturing their own perfume. So I do appreciate that. I do like that, you know, people make their own or like companies make their own products rather than sourcing it out. But let's put some on. Oh my goodness. It's so lovely. Okay. You know, I've actually stopped putting perfume on my wrist because I feel like if I wash my hands, it would just be gone. All right, I just want to, like, I'm curious to see how, is it different from an old batch? There's always going to be difference, I think, because batch to batch, you know, the raw ingredients might be different. Not much of a difference. Oh, I feel this old one is more aldehydic. Has a bit more aldehydicness to it. I don't know. Not a great deal of difference, but there is a difference. Yeah, this is more fresh, of course. Okay, well, that concludes my perfume review. So this will go back in here. Yes, I'm going to put it back. Okay, so I'm glad I did finally get that. Okay, so my next unboxing is ta-da! Bright Eyes. Can you guess what it is? Well, it's actually sunglasses. I'm going through a sunglass binge right now. And we all know that, well, if you've watched some of my videos, you know that Maui Jim, which is one of the brands that I like, I love buying Maui Jims and Serengetis. And if one thing is, I think Serengeti's lenses and the technology is just a little bit, one touch bit better than Maui Jim, but Maui Jim sunglasses are perfectly fine as well. Now this one, it's because of the shape. I really wanted a shape like that. And then these were being discontinued. So, but I found some. And this shape is called Lychee in Translucent Light Pink. And let's see what else is in the box. Okay, the triangle case that is folded. Flat pack cases. Oh, look. You know what? They've shrink. It's seriously shrinkflation. This is now smaller. To be honest, I'm not complaining because the original size was a bit bulky. So they are a bit smaller. Now, let's see. It's not this style. Oh my goodness. It's so retro. So 60s. It's not actually, what do you call it? Asian fit with the longer nose pieces. But I'm hoping, so a bit wide here, but even if they were Asian fit, I would still have to, oh my goodness, they look so cool. Yeah, I would just have to still use these like stick-on nose pads anyway. So I'm going to put them on and I hope that they work better. Oh, be right back. By cleaning the nose piece, the nose pads, the nose pieces that I want to stick them on. Stick these nose piece razors. Yeah, so they just look like these silicone clear things. You can get them from eBay, Amazon, and they come in clear or black. So I've never actually bought the black one, to be honest, even though I've used these on sunglasses that are not clear like these ones are, but they don't seem to be a problem. They're not that obvious in my what I think is like in my opinion. So then you just stick them on here like this. Okay, try to line them up properly, and then this part is where you hold. See this little one, and then you just try, oh, I didn't quite get it right. Try not to undo it too many times, as I have found out. They tend to not stick that well anymore if you keep undoing them and then putting it back on, sort of thing. So try to line them up a bit. About maybe a few months, they probably need changing. But yeah, I haven't found them to be that problematic. Okay, so one more, just to put it on here. Hope you can see it. Okay, lining them up, and then this goes over. All right, okay, so see the clear ones, they're not that obvious. They really suit these clear ones. Oh my goodness, they look so... Imagine if they were white or like tortoise shell and like but cream on the inside. Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect fit. I was worried that because of the shape, this part may not cover enough of my eyes because it can feel like it's quite small, as opposed to the one that I got recently, which is called Blossom. Oh my goodness, maybe I need to hunt for more of these type of sunglasses in different colors. Yes, and the one thing I do like about Maui Jim and Serengeti sunglasses is that they are polarized, and I definitely need polarized sunglasses in Australia. Oh wow. Okay, well, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Me and my Chanel and sunglasses. Oh, yes. I feel so something, I don't know. Oh, looks like I should be like in the 60s movies. Okay. Oh, did you notice it? I think I just noticed it. Oh yes, and this is the rose lens, I should say. Rose lens. My goodness, they look so cool. Right? Cool. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a lovely rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.